In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to just create a simple robot in Blender and just learn some basics about edit mode and extruding. So we're going to create something similar to this guy right here. So to start off, I'm just going to go to File, New, and just go to General to get going again. And I don't need to save that. So you start off with this box and just a couple basics. If you use your scroller wheel, that lets you zoom in. If you hold down the scroller wheel, that lets you basically tumble. And then you're ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and go into edit mode, and to do that you can either press tab on your keyboard, or you can come up here and go to edit and go to this object mode and then go down to edit mode, and then there's three options right here, and we want to be on face mode to start. So now if I just go ahead and left mouse click and then press E to extrude and pull up a little bit, and then left mouse click again, and then tumble around by pressing the middle mouse button, and then I'll go ahead and left mouse click, press E, and don't hold down E, just press it once and let go. The other option you have on that, you could also come over here and there's a tool, and if your tools aren't showing up for some reason, press the letter T and that will make them show up. But this right here, extrude tool, that'll also let you kind of pull things up. Click on a spot, you can kind of pull out and kind of pull out. So if you prefer that way, then that works too. So I just did something where I kind of slid the whole area, the pan, and if you hold down shift and press the middle mouse button, that also lets you kind of go back and forth. If you let go of the shift, then you can move around. If I want to extrude from two regions at the same time, I'm going to click back on my move tool. So press 1, and then if you or click on one face and then hold down shift and click on the other face, left mouse click. If I press E to extrude, that's not really going to work here, so Command Z to undo. But if I right mouse click, I can go ahead and go to extrude individual faces, and then you just have to kind of move the mouse until you get the right direction and everything. So I'm just going to continue. So E to extrude, E to extrude, and maybe I'll pull these out. If they're going the same direction, I don't have to do that individual thing. Once I get kind of this basic robot built, and let me just do one more right mouse click, extrude individual. Now I want to add a little bit more curvature to it. So if I go over here to edge mode now I can click on a face, hold down shift, click on a face. Now I can start to pull faces or edges down. So hold down shift to select more than one. You can do it at the you can do one at a time if you want to. But if you want to do two at the same time, hold down shift and then grab it by this bar thing and everything. So that'll hopefully get you on your way to just building a simple little robot. And the next thing we'll play with is color.